silly to have two sinks 24 inches apart? Nope. Let me share with you today why I love the bathroom sink in my Travato 59G. Hey, Go Small, Live Large viewers. Thanks for tuning in today. My name is Scott, your host, and I just want to point out one of the features that come with the Travato 59G GL floor plan, and that's the bathroom sink, a separate sink. I didn't think this would be a big deal, but this is an exact reason why I like it. So we're preparing a little breakfast here. Did you guys see this? And you can see that the kitchen area is fairly covered up. Now I do have the extension here, so I could do that and shift everything. But if I just want a quick hand wash, I go right here, because it's literally just right here. Rinse, rinse, switch, and it's done. So the bathroom sink in the Travato G is just such a tremendous benefit. I actually use this sink more than I use this one just because of easy access. I don't have to lift something up, pull the arm up, turn the water on. This acts like a residential faucet. Love the Travato bathroom sink in the 59G GL floor plan. We got a little something out of that. Appreciate you tuning in today. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and commenting. How are you using your sink? If you have a bathroom sink, do you use it? And if you have a kitchen sink, how do you use that? Obviously for everything, but do you have it up or down if it's a marine style sink? Would love to know. Until we meet again, I wish you to journey on. And the sink also doubles as storage for a box of Kleenex. Perfect.